So we're starting off today with the side-by-side. We're gonna go fishing. Rudnik's not having the best day. You'll know from his video. Some stuff's gone down with the GDR. Hopefully we can get it resolved quickly, but we did get a little bit of a win on the drift car just then. We fixed his clutch engagement issue. Well, we know what it is now. We actually fixed it. So that's a good thing. But yeah, we're gonna go fishing, catch some fish, relax, enjoy. It's gonna be great. Yay, what's up, man? Jump on in, bro. Yo, look at this guy. 2 fish already. This is the biggest we've caught. Look how big that bass is.
Yeah, we pulled a 4.5 pound out of this lake before.
What?
This is like a 1.5 pounds.
This is amazing. You like work and then just walk over the road and go catch bass.
Florida, man.
I'm so excited. I love Florida. Let's move to Florida. Yeah, so I was just sitting on the grass, just filming and enjoying life, and then hook this bad boy up. Is it a bass?
Definitely a
It's
bass.
a bass. All right. Nice little baby bass. My first Florida fish. I'm so excited right now.
I'm excited you guys like fishing, but are you ready to catch a fish? Because I just found a bunch for you to catch.
Oh yeah, here you go, man. You're unhooking him?
Yeah, unhooking him. You gotta be gentle with him. I'm so excited. I got a fish. Hey, Chris, how many fish have you caught today?
Doesn't matter, I caught 3 yesterday.
You caught 4 actually.
Yeah.
Okay, we may have a little bit of a big one here, guys. Oh, he's big, hey. What is that, like what do you call that in American terms?
What?
Like a pound or something? Pound and a half?
Let's see.
He's about the size of like the same one you got before.
This will be like a 1.5 pounds. But that might actually be a little bigger. I think it's a little bigger, yeah.
Ooh,
Look at that, that's a great fish.
That's an awesome, dude.
That's a great fish, man. Congrats. Yeah, it's a little bigger than one I caught. 100%.
Chris. Oh, it's like wedged in his bone part.
So what you do is you put pressure against the...
Oh yeah, I got it.
There you go.
Dude,
Nice.
look at this big bass. I mean, it's not like huge, right? But
That's it. I mean, if I caught one of those every day, I'd feel pretty good about it.
right? Look at that.
Yeah, I mean, that's a decent fish for, you know, a lake this size.
Oh yeah. Do you reckon they taste good? Should I
They
eat
do
this?
taste good. I've eaten them
All
before.
right. All right. Well, we're gonna release this guy. True Aussie way. Mwah. See you later, buddy.
Thanks for
That was awesome. Look at Chris over there. He's so salty.
Oh, how the tails have turned.
Yeah. Oh, how the tails have turned, Chris. He's over there, snag. Rally side by side. Hit it. Woo-hoo! Whoa! Whoa! So we're back at the shop now, and I've been working on this for Chris, because when he took it for a rip to show me the other day, there was this weird noise in the front end, and to me in the passenger seat it felt like something was not right. But I did not expect this. I'm in here having a look at this for Chris while he's over there editing, and let me just put the light here in the right spot so you guys can see this. This is what's happening right now. This huge bolt is just hanging out here, hitting his oil lines. There's no nut on the end of that. This thing is like, it's a freaking miracle that this didn't come apart. Like I get it, because it's a long bolt, it'd be very hard for it to just drop out, but the mount is half slipped out there. It's like it never even had a nut on there to begin with. I'm like, oi Chris, who bolt checks your car? And this is literally what he said. What'd you say, Chris? Who bolt checks your car? Do you bolt check your car?
No, the car's together, it's good to go.
You're an idiot. So anyways, we're gonna fix that, and then I'm gonna take the car out for a rip and make like a review video, because this thing is sick. But I'm gonna just go over the entire car quickly as well, because I don't wanna die or crash his car, and I wanna make sure everything's all good. So let's fix this. So I pretty much had to disassemble everything here, but we got his I don't know, upper control arm, I guess this is called. This is the second time I've ever worked on Miatas, and I'm pretty much balls deep. Anyways, so because that thing backed out, the bushing itself pressed itself out. That's how much it was just flopping around in there. So I'm gonna go to HP right now and hopefully I can just use their vise to press this bushing back in. And then we gotta see if we can find a nut that'll fix that big bolt. Actually, that's a good point. I'll bring that big bolt, see if they've got any nuts there that'll go on it. But so glad he didn't go for another trip down the drag strip with this. Marcus helped out. We got that pressed back in now and we'll get it all lined up, and then Chris found a nice washer. Well, he made a washer. Did you find a nut? Hell yeah, all right. And then we just gotta Loctite it and you'll be safe to go down the drag strip.
Just pour it on there.
I think the title of my video is gonna be I Saved Rudnik's Life. So old mate just got this car from Japan and he wants to, gonna break it in, but he needs to test if it's got a lock diff. Yeah, she's spinning both. Hell yeah. Woo! She wants to walk, eh? Nice. She's good. All right, so everything's back together. The wheel's on there. I'm gonna take it off the jack. Boom, drop this sucker. Ready to rip her, hopefully. I mean, I'm gonna quickly check the other side, make sure there's no more issues there and Loctite that up if it is. But we're all good. We're having wins everywhere today, aren't we, Chris? Well, kind of. Yeah, you'll have to watch Chris's video to find out what's going on with the GDR, but at least we got a win on the drift car, so hopefully we'll be shredding that later on this week, go to the compound and have some fun. Maybe we can even take this to the compound.
Yeah, someone's just gonna have to drive it.
Yeah. All right, we'll make it work. Anyways, gonna, I guess, back this out, and we'll figure it out from there. All right, so everything's back together. The wheel's on there. I'm gonna take it off the jack. Boom, drop this sucker. Ready to rip her, hopefully. I mean, I'm gonna quickly check the other side, make sure there's no more issues there and Loctite that up if it is. But we're all good. We're having wins everywhere today, aren't we, Chris? Well, kind of. Yeah, you'll have to watch Chris's video to find out what's going on with the GDR, but at least we got a win on the drift car, so hopefully we'll be shredding that later on this week, go to the compound and have some fun. Maybe we can even take this to the compound.
Yeah, someone's just gonna have to drive it.
Yeah. All right, we'll make it work. Anyways, gonna, I guess, back this out, and we'll figure it out from there. All right, so we're taking Chris's Miata for a little rip right now. Pretty keen to feel, what is it, like 27 PSI or something he runs in this? It's ridiculous. She's all warmed up. What? This thing's epic. Oh man, yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun to play around at the drag strip in. Hell yeah. Oh, this is so awesome. I love it. We can't venture out too far. This. All right, when we do a U-turn, we good? We good? Yeah, we're good. All right. Yeah. Oh man, this thing's a rocket. Woo! This thing launches. All right, I'm not gonna rip on it too much tonight, just because tomorrow I want to do like a proper video on it. And I don't want to break anything. And plus, Chris wants to put nitrous on this and go to the drag strip this weekend, so that'll be pretty sick. This thing's mental. Oh man, he's really got a really nice Miata. This thing's awesome. I love it. Yo, that's pretty exciting. This thing's back on the ground.
Shut up, dude.
Hell yeah.
This thing sucks.
Oh. Yeah, I reckon we should just throw it on Craigslist, get rid of it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Get some Japanese nice chassis and build a sick drift car.
Yeah, this thing's junk.
It's junk?
You should bring it back. Dude, you should import it. Look at that. That definition of junk, bro.
Oh wow, that is fouled to all hell, hey.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, it's all good. We'll get her running. This weekend we should have her driving. Well, let's try to be optimistic, right? Oh
yeah.
Wow, they're all super shot. Okay. So Chris has a really nice Miata, and like I said, I'm going to be doing a full video on that probably tomorrow. I'm really excited to do kind of like a review and just get down and go over the car and show you some things that I love and that I hate. Sorry, Chris, it is a Roadster, right? It came from Japan, hey, and it's right side drive. All right, enough of his interruptions. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know today's video was a little bit all over the place, but in all honesty, everything was kind of all over the place over here. My hair's doing weird things. I was wearing a hat all day, and this is kind of what it looks like now. But yeah, I don't know. We're also trying to convince Chris to dye his hair pink. I think that'll be kind of funny. So we'll go from there, but yeah. Don't forget, if you're watching this video now, you've only got like a few hours before the giveaway ends. So if you want to get an entry while you still can, sammit.net/shop, get yourself a SAMMIT sticker, and we'll be revealing the winner once I get back to Japan. I'll be doing a live stream announcing the winner. Hopefully the guy who wins is watching the stream. If not, I will be emailing you and we'll go from there. But once again, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Ja, mata ne.